Bees are more than just buzzing insects, they are vital contributors to our ecosystem and possess some truly remarkable characteristics. Pollination powerhouses. Bees are the primary pollinators for many of the world's crops and wild plants. Without them, we would see a significant decline in fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Complex social lives. Most bees, like honeybees and bumblebees, live in highly organized colonies with a queen, worker bees, and sometimes drones. Each member has a specific role to ensure the colony's survival. Amazing navigators. Bees are skilled navigators, using the sun, landmarks, and even the Earth's magnetic field to find their way back to the hive after foraging for nectar and pollen. Communication through dance. Honeybees communicate with each other through intricate waggle dances that convey the direction and distance of food sources. Honey production is hard work. To produce just 1 pound of honey, worker bees collectively fly the equivalent of 3 times around the Earth. Diverse world of bees. There are over 20,000 known species of bees in the world, each with its own unique characteristics and behaviors. Ancient lineage. Bees have been around for a very long time, with fossil evidence suggesting their existence for at least 100 million years, even coexisting with dinosaurs. From their crucial role in our food supply to their intricate social structures and incredible abilities, bees are truly fascinating creatures that deserve our respect and protection. The sweet science of honey. The delightful sweetness of honey comes down to its unique composition, which is a direct result of the remarkable journey from flower nectar to the golden liquid we enjoy. Nectar collection. Worker bees visit flowers and collect nectar, a sugary liquid produced by plants to attract pollinators. This nectar is primarily composed of sucrose, a complex sugar made of glucose and fructose linked together. Enzymatic transformation. Once the bee has collected nectar, it stores it in a special stomach called the honey stomach or crop. During the journey back to the hive, enzymes secreted by the bee, primarily invertase, begin to break down the sucrose in the nectar into its simpler sugars, glucose and fructose. Water reduction. Inside the hive, worker bees pass the nectar to other bees, who continue the enzymatic process and also work to reduce the water content through evaporation. They do this by repeatedly regurgitating and re-ingesting the nectar, as well as by fanning their wings to create airflow within the hive. Honey formation. As the water content decreases and the sucrose is largely converted into glucose and fructose, the liquid thickens into honey. Bees then store this honey in beeswax cells, which they cap to preserve it. The key to honey's sweetness lies in the high concentration of these simple sugars, glucose and fructose. Fructose is actually sweeter than glucose and sucrose. The specific ratio of these sugars can vary depending on the types of flowers the bees visited, resulting in the diverse flavors and textures of different honeys. The enzymatic breakdown of sucrose during the honey making process is what makes honey significantly sweeter and easier for bees to digest and store for energy.